Assembly steps. Plan the battery configuration. Decide on the series and parallel configuration of the battery cells based on voltage and capacity requirements. Prepare battery cells. Inspect and test each lithium-ion cell for voltage and capacity. Discard any damaged or low-performing cells. Connect cells in series and parallel. Use a spot welder or soldering iron to connect the cells according to your planned configuration. Connect cells in parallel first, then connect these parallel groups in series to achieve the desired voltage. Install the BMS. Connect the BMS to the battery pack according to the BMS manufacturer's instructions. Ensure correct polarity and secure connections. Attach nickel strips. Use nickel strips to connect the cells. Weld or solder the nickel strips to the positive and negative terminals of the battery cells. Insulate connections. Apply insulating materials, fish paper or Kapton tape, to cover the connections and prevent short circuits. Encase in heat shrink tubing. Slide heat shrink tubing over the entire battery pack, then use a heat gun to shrink the tubing, providing a protective and insulating layer. Connectors and wiring. Attach wires with connectors to the positive and negative terminals of the battery pack. Ensure proper polarity. Test the battery pack. Test the assembled battery pack for voltage, capacity, and proper functioning with the BMS. Install an enclosure. Place the assembled battery pack inside the chosen enclosure, securing it in place. Ensure proper ventilation if necessary. Connect to light system. Connect the battery pack to the light system using the pre-installed connectors and wires. Final checks. Double-check all connections, polarity, and insulation. Perform a final functionality test before deploying the battery pack. SunGreeter strictly follow all international standard, that is why we are including top 10 manufacturer in China. For getting more information of our product you can visit our website www.sungreatenergy.com or email us on aziz@sungreatenergy.com.